So what is a niche? A niche is the main essence of your blog. So if you're a guitarist and you start a blog about guitar, then the niche of your website will be guitar. Similarly, if you find a website that talks only about dogs, then dogs will be the niche of the website. Selecting a niche is easy, but more important than selecting a niche is selecting a profitable niche. See, starting a blog requires hard work. You can't just start a blog, write few articles and expect to drive millions of visitors to your blog. You need a proper strategy in order to scale a blog from 0 to 10,000 visitors per day. And this is why we have created our free affiliate marketing mastery course where I teach you all of that in a step-by-step manner. To access all the videos of this free course, click on the I button here. And also you're spending significant amount of your time on your blog. So wouldn't you want to make money off your blog? Most new bloggers make this mistake of starting a website on what they like. And many years later, they see a good result. And especially in 2019, where the competition is increasing by the day, you need a proper strategy in selecting the niche of your blog. So watch this video till the end and I can guarantee you will be able to find a profitable money-making niche with low competition for your blog. Also, if you don't want to waste your time doing the niche research yourself, then you can get my Excel sheet where I've already done comprehensive research on Amazon in 50 plus categories. I've also categorized them into the commission you get, the competition level on a scale of 0 to 10, and whether you should go into that category or not. So if you want this Excel sheet, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with yes, I want it in the comment section below. Once we hit 500 likes and comments on this video, I will make the link of this Excel sheet public in the description section of the video. Since this video is part of our free affiliate marketing mastery course and I want all of you to make money on autopilot, I will be talking specifically about Amazon and how to find a low competition, high profitable category that you can promote. A lot of you get stuck in the step of niche research. And this step is extremely vital for the success of your affiliate website. What should be my website about? Which niche should I target? This is the most common question that I get in my live streams. Before I take you into my laptop screen where I show you exactly how to find a low competition, high profitable niche, there are few things that you have to keep in mind before selecting a niche. The first step is choose a niche that people are actually looking for. I will be showing you later in the video on how to find data for this, but you don't want to create an affiliate website about a topic that people are not even searching for. Even if your article gets number 1 on Google, but only 100 people are searching for it in the entire month, you won't be able to make any money. The second point is choose something which has low competition. Later in the video, I will be showing you how to find a low competition niche, but as a general rule, don't go for a high competition keyword, especially when you're a single man army or you're a beginner. I have a team of 9 people and an experience of 7+ years in affiliate marketing and SEO. So I can take the risk of going in a high competition niche. But for you, it can result in loss of time and money. For you, you might think that very big or popular niche like mobile, through that you will be able to drive thousands and millions of people to your website and will be able to make much more money. But then again, the competition in this niche will be extremely high and the chances of you ranking number 1 on Google will be extremely difficult, and also it will take a very long time. I want you guys to start making money in just few months, not in years. So go for a low competition niche. Now the third point is choose something that you yourself like. You'll be spending a lot of time on your website, like configuring it, writing the articles, creating social media profile, and a lot of time in doing the SEO of your website. So if you yourself don't like the niche, then sooner or later you will lose the interest. And then you will say that this method does not work. I want you to achieve success and I want you to make money from your affiliate website. So trust me, go for a niche that you yourself like. So if you don't like cats, don't go into a cats niche. Rather, if you're interested in technology, then go for it, because then the work won't feel like a burden. Think about the hobbies, what you like, and that's a good place to start. So guys, the first step in finding the perfect niche for your first Amazon affiliate website is to search for this, that is Amazon affiliate commission on Google. And when you press enter, all you have to do is open this page. So this page contains the commission structure for various categories that are available on Amazon and how you can promote it and what will be the commission that you will be getting on each category. So if you're an Amazon affiliate and you are promoting, let's say, Kindle devices or ebooks, then the commission rate is 10%. So the commission rate usually ranges from 0 to 10% on Amazon. So whenever you're selecting a niche, the ultimate goal is to select a category where the commission rate is higher and also the average selling price of the product is also high. So let's say you're selling a product of, let's say, 20,000 rupees and the commission rate is, let's say, 10%. Then you'll be making 2,000 rupees as profit for each sale that you will be generating. But then again, finding such a category is difficult because already too much competition is there in the high profit categories. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to do the niche research, how to find a low competition, high profitability niche for your first Amazon affiliate website. So I'll recommend you guys to go through all these categories and their commission rate, and also bookmark this page on your browser, because you'll be revisiting this page multiple times. Majority of the people think that they'll start promoting mobiles because it's a very common category and a lot of people will be buying it. But then again, you'll see that the commission rate on mobile is only 2.5%. And also you have to make sure of one thing, that all the popular mobiles that are launched in the market, like OnePlus 6 or any other new mobile that is very popular in the market, usually they are excluded from the affiliate program. So if you're promoting any of these models, then you will only be getting 1% of the affiliate commission, and these products are excluded from the affiliate program. So if you're promoting any of this, then you won't be getting any commission. So whenever you're promoting a mobile or a very popular product that is hot in the market, make sure that it is not in this excluded product category. Otherwise, you won't be making any commission. So usually whenever I am creating an Amazon affiliate website, I'm usually looking at a commission rate from 4 to 8% or 10% if it's available. So like a 4% category like mobile accessories, or a 8% category like health and personal care is also very popular, because more and more people are going health conscious. So it's a good category. And you can also go for apparel and shoes, because the commission rate is 9%, because fashion is something that is not going anywhere. So the first step is to go through this commission structure. The next step is to select few of the categories and start doing the research. So let's start with okay, I'll take the musical instrument category here, and it has 8% commission rate. So let's do some initial research on Amazon on how the products are, what's the average selling price, etc, etc. Usually whenever you're creating an Amazon affiliate website, your ultimate goal will be to write an article which will be something like best XYZ. So let's say if you are doing the niche research for a musical instrument website, then we might be looking for best guitar or any other musical instrument, right? You can also do the category research by clicking here on shop by category, and this will open up. And here are also the other categories that are available on Amazon. This is another good way to find all the various categories. Like, so let's say if you're going into the electronics section, then you can know, okay, these are the various categories that are popular in the Indian market. So similarly, this really helps in finding the niche, because each of these category can be a website for itself. Like, I can create an entire website only about headphone. I can create an entire website only about, let's say, furniture. So these are the various niche that you can create a website on. So we'll go into the musical instrument category. Let's see how it performs. We have entered the musical instrument category. Let's see what are the various products that are available and what are popular. So primarily people are looking for drum accessories, guitars, and okay, keyboards as well. So let's open few of these links. Here you will also find the various other article ideas, because you can also write an article about guitar accessories or pianos. So the ultimate goal is to also look at the average selling price of the product in this category. As I said earlier, the higher the product price, the more profit you will make as commission. So let's go into the guitar section. I can see that the majority of the guitars are selling for in the range of 2,000 to 4,000. We can also see guitars from 8,000, 6,000. So let's say the average price of a guitar is somewhere close to let's say 4,000. Okay. So we know that in musical instrument, the commission rate is 8%. So I've created this Excel sheet. So let's go for guitar. So I've created this simple Excel sheet just to do my niche research. You can do it yourself as well. So I've added the category, the amount of traffic that the number one article is receiving, the conversion rate, etc, etc. So let me explain it to you. So this will be the category of whatever we are targeting. Let's say we are targeting the guitar and or the musical instruments. Now, how to find the traffic for the number one article? So what we'll do is we'll search for the keyword best guitars in India on Google search engine, and we'll take the top result. Let's take this top result. Once you copy the URL, you have to open a free tool by Neil Patel. It's called Ubersuggest. Search for it. Open the free tool. It's free to use. Enter the URL here. Make sure the country selected is English India and click on search. Then what you have to do is go to the top pages section and search for the URL that you just copied. So here, as I can see that the number one URL that is ranking is 13 best guitar brands in India, the one that we copied, and approximately 779. This is the number. This is the traffic that we will be driving if we are ranking number one on Google search result for a target keyword. You can also see the various other keywords for which your article will be ranking, which is just like the main keyword, like best brand of guitar, best guitar brands, best guitar in India. This is ranking for number 4 position. So the actual traffic, if you'll be ranking number 1, will be close to 1,000. So what we'll do is we'll add this approximate traffic here. Let's say 1,000 people visit your article every month. and the conversion rate is usually 1%. So let's say 1,000 people visit on your article. Then in my experience of running many affiliate websites, I've seen that 1% people tend to buy the product. So the conversion rate will be 0.01, which is the 1%. The average selling price of the guitar, we saw that it is close to 4,000 and the commission rate was 8%. So my earnings from that particular article will be 3,200. So I'll be making a commission of 3,200. And you can see that the number of backlinks that this particular article has is 0. So that even without backlinks, this article is ranking number 1. So the competition in this niche is very low. So ranking this article on number 1 on Google will be extremely easy. Similarly, I did the research for a DSLR category earlier, and I saw that the traffic potential for this article was close to 20,000. Conversion rate 1%. Average selling price of a DSLR is close to 30,000 rupees. The commission rate is 4%. So my earnings will be around 2.4 lakhs per month if my article like best DSLR in India is ranking number 1. But then again, the competition is very high. Rather, it's very high. Because the earning potential is very high, that is 2.4 lakhs. That's why the competition is also very high. So ranking this article number 1 on Google will be difficult. You won't be writing just single article on guitar. So let's say if you're writing a guitar article on guitar like best guitar in India, then your website will be in the music category or maybe the guitar category. Then you can also write articles like best electric guitar, best acoustic guitar. You can also write articles about accessories like best guitar accessories, and you can also write particular reviews of a very popular guitar. So this is how you scale a website. Your main article will be the main category of your website, and then you can scale the website by adding more articles related to the same category. Like if your website is more into the music instrument, then you can also go into the tabla, piano, or various other musical instruments as well. Similarly, if my website is in DSLR category, I can also write many other articles like best lenses, best camera accessories, best camera bags, and so many other things. So to find the article ideas for this, you can just go to Amazon and see, like I've opened the musical instrument category here. I can see so many article ideas like, okay, best piano here. This must be something related to guitar. So like best type of query for this. I can also write individual reviews and add affiliate links in that as well. I can also write articles about audio interface, DJ controllers, and so many various things. So this is how you do the niche research. Let's do the niche research for one more category. Let's go into the books category. Okay, the commission rate is 8%. So let's go to books, search for it. The one good thing about books category is that the search volume is really high because so many people are looking for a particular book review or best books to read in 2019 or so many different queries for that. And also the books category has various different subcategories like action, arts, and law, literature, reference, religion, so many different categories. You can create an entire website just about book reviews and add your book reviews in there. But one thing that you have to keep in mind is that the price of a book is very low. So when you'll be doing your niche research in this Excel sheet, the average selling price of a book will be somewhere close to 300 or 200 rupees. And even if the commission rate is 0.08, which is 8%, still you'll have to drive a lot of traffic, at least close to 1 lakh. Let's say the traffic is 1 lakh and the conversion rate is 0.02. Let's take a good conversion rate. The money you'll be making will be 32,000 per month. So we are talking about books category here. So let me give you a gist of the entire process once again. All you have to do is first open this page of Amazon affiliate commission, go through various categories and the commission rate, and also I'll recommend you guys to create this simple Excel sheet for yourself as well. I'll also make sure that I'll make this Excel sheet available for download. So all you have to do is after looking at the commission rate, start doing the research for individual categories. So go to amazon.in, click here on shop by categories, various other categories will be shown. Start doing research on the categories that you like one by one that has a good commission rate. Once you select a category, look for the various articles that are ranking for that category. Take the URL of the article that is already ranking, go to Ubersuggest, that is the free tool by Neil Patel. Add the domain name here, click on search, go to the top pages, find the article and look at this particular metric. This is the estimated visit you will be driving. Add that in the niche research here in the traffic area. Add the conversion rate, which is somewhere in the range of 1 to 2%. Add the average selling price, add the commission rate, and this will give you the overall earnings. And for the competition, what you have to look at is the number of backlinks that the article has, which is ranking number 1 on Google search results. So what you'll have to do is do this for at least 10 to 15 categories that you like and you think that has good earning potential. And then look at the profit here, like which category has low competition and a higher earnings. So whichever category has a low competition and high earnings, you can get into that category as the niche of the website. And guys, if you have any question regarding this niche research, you can ask in the comment section below, and I will make sure that I'll reply to you within 6 to 12 hours. Just for example, I am taking a case study of a very popular category like best mobiles in India. When you'll search for this, the main websites, the most popular websites that come on number 1 and 2 position are the 91 Mobiles and Digit.in. So I've added 91mobiles.in here in Uber Suggest. I've gone in the top pages section. You'll see here that the popular articles are like Samsung mobile price list, Xiaomi mobile price list. This particular article is best mobile phones under 10,000. And look at the traffic that this website is driving, 155,000 visitors per month. And if we are looking at a 1% conversion rate, we know that you will be selling 1,553 mobiles at least from your article. So if your article gets ranked number 1 on this article, so if your article on best mobile phones under 10,000 rupees gets ranked number 1, you'll be selling these many mobiles. But then again, the competition for this article is really high because you'll need high quality 20 backlinks, and you're competing with a very high authority website, which is 91 mobiles. So getting this article ranked will be extremely difficult, but then again, the money you'll be making will be good. So this is how you have to do the niche research. You'll have to look at various niche which you like, and then you'll have to complete this Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet will give you a clear picture on which niche you should go into. So what are your next steps? Click here to watch the next lesson, and click here if you want to watch our free affiliate marketing course playlist where I show you how to scale an Amazon affiliate website from $0 to $1,000 per month.